What happens when you put a lighter in the microwave? For 6 minutes.
This is the worst plan of all time.
Oh, there's the fire. Just wait, Cotton. We're good. It's all fine. Alright, it might not be too fine.
Unplug the microwave.
It's good.
Unplug
it's good.
it.
We're good.
Unplug it.
It's not even on fire anymore, bruh.
No, it's not.
We're good. All the lighter fluid's burned out now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells good. Yeah.
I think we're done, Cotton.
No, we're not. I think it's about to explode.
No, I think that's just the plastic melting.
Yeah.
It definitely is.
All right. Well, unplug that. No, do not open the door. Okay. Well, that was awesome.